This is a webcam of it's the Pico de Orizaba. It's like a telescope on the Sierra Negra volcano here. And this was a week ago on October 15th, 2013. And it was a beautiful day. And then today, after that hurricane went by, it's got snow on the mountain. That hurricane brought snow to that mountain that was just green a week ago. And it's not in the news. I checked all the news and weather. Is nowhere is this being reported, this snow at the top of this. It's 400 meters above sea level. And here's another shot of it. There's snow on this road here. Same one. Same, just the other side of the mountain probably. But anyway, I just thought that was weird, and thought I'd show it to you. Okay. This is where the snow was on those mountains, and this is where Hurricane Raymond was yesterday, Monday, October 21st at 2 p.m.